EKERENGA egenderete gochingira emiroberio yogoikerania obochenu ase abanto bonsi nigo bono obobwechinse bogoteba buna ense engima tereroberia goikerania omoroberio oyo bokobwatoka obobwene gochia ase abanto bonsi omanyekane buna universal health coverage ase bono banyarire koba bagokwanera abanto bose omoroberio oyo nigo orengete gokeanera chigurube chintindi ase bono abande banyarire koba bagotwara chingaki chinkong'u nabo igo omoroberio oyo obeire oyo bwobong'ora nabono omorikito Vincent Munda agotomanyia sorobotiro kobwatia egati abari basangire n'ensoko TV nigo bono barorokanire kwemurunganeria obororo bose korokia obororo bwabo igoro yobokoreri ebwa omoroberio bokobwatoka obokonyi bobobwene korwa ase serikali OSHA.
As we all know, health is a big component of what affects the people of Kenya. Matters health are very serious. We all know statistics show that close to 1 million people every year go into bankruptcy because of hospital bills.
Oyo nomurai wense ya Kenya muske William Samoei Ruto akonekia buna abantu nabange bali nobulemiro bw'ogwakana oburware bwabo ase obochenu omoroberio bw'obochenu okorokwa universal health coverage nikorengete kokonya abantu bonsi banyora obobwenia borobuya ngakiende yonsi naboigo andonsi ase bale batari kolemerwa.
If we can solve this question of health, then we will have solved one of the very big problems we've always had as a country. The only problem that we still have is harambes around matters health. And that is why it is important for us to solve this health puzzle. And it requires the concerted effort of all of us.
Eke nekerenga chinse chikominyokia anene mono chinse chiria chibwataranite amone birenga biri bya magendero ose sustainable development goals byo mwaka bw'ekiru 2015 ebyo bibonete goikeraniwa togoika mwaka bw'ekiru 2030 goikerania omoroberio oyo universal health coverage nigo yarorekanire ko begetire kanene ase chiserikali kurwabo magega.
We as a nation, we've been trying to resolve this jigsaw around health for the last almost 15 years, 2017, 18, 20. And we ran into a lot of difficulties. I remember, and we had to announce that this thing has failed.
Ango muganda bw'abantu kwikachi bilioni 4 chino gutesana nemo ensengima nigotere bwaterania no moroberio ndi bonsi bugoteranda obochano bwa universal health coverage aya ngolengana n'ekiombe ky'obobwechinse ase omwaka bw'ekiru 2022 abantu chibilioni 2 nugutayamo nigo babwata obulemero bw'okonyora ebitoki nabo iga abande bilioni yamo chino gutesana nemo nigo balense y'obutaka obutindi egento bego kyari kuba beterere gosoma obuko nawe yakanira oborwaria korengana ne ministry y'obocheno aiga Kenya goikomutinyo mutangani bwo mwaka konyora abakenya belikire chimilioni 15 chino gutesana n'esatu ase omoroberio bw'obochenu OSHA unenchera yamo yogosira abakenya banyora obobwenia ase obochenu egento bege ministry y'obochenu yegenete buna n'omoroberio bw'echinguru nonya abakenya berigetie n'omoroberio ororekanire koingerwa n'ebimonyo buna tori moikeranu bakagoika nonya n'omwasiri bw'obochenu Aden Duale korokia buna osonanirwe n'obokurumi.
Social Health Authority has suspended a total of 40 health facilities found to have engaged in these criminal activities.
Gati abale basangire na nche nara yabaenekire.
Selieta John Ogero sha terigo konya wananchi unakorengana ebwenerete nebwato bokorekanu boke nonye nekero omonto abunikire atete koboerwa ene chaefu ngomokonya yarenge sha boniga omonto obunikire te komokonya komoboera omokenya osoa mobuko ochiorusi chibesi chia mobuko wakana bibagasha yargo cha komokonya wakana ebintu ebi byonse ogende nyagitari abangina go bakorera abangina basiekirwo abangina batebunga bona akana chibese mumana gosoka bona mumana gosinyunga rendo omonto kabwata sha nkirende tatumekera
asamarieta nkoro ku Wesley Okero Bosire lakini asa abantu nkura igunga mange sa mara ote bashago ko register uikanyagetari gwatebigwa teri gokora ikina kikyagere ukusubu ngabane nta registration ande ndoche astera nkonye mbiantu mienonye chibesa cash
asomo sangirikano bw'ekiombe ky'obobwechinse bw'omwaka bw'ekiru 2019 chinse chiri chirasaba omobwechinse chigahita babuna obochenu ase abantu bonsi na bw'ekiorekererio kinse ya magenderero.
You know, they say when somebody tries to do something, if he succeeds, he achieves what he's doing. If he fails, at least he has one lesson how not to do it.
Vincent Munda, Ensoko TV.